Well, Dan got everything painted last night. This is a motorcycle that belongs to a guy up in Portland. This is Harley. Dan's just buffing things out right now. These look black. When you first look at them, they just look black. But when you put the light on them, you see your light there, Dan. Let me see your light there. They look black.
Look at the gas tank.
Oh, I know. I've already been out here. But when you look real close, you can see the green popping. But until you put sunlight on it, I don't know if you can see the green popping on that. It's got green pearl in it. But when you turn the light off, they just look black. It came out really nice. It looked really good, Dan.
Yeah, I like the gloss on the tank.
They really look good. You have to buff up everything pretty much a little bit.
I'm buffing it out just because of, losing
Okay.